Most, if not all, of modern technology is derived from nature, including flight. The world of birds has always been a fascination for me, and a trip to neighboring countries gave me a chance to explore the close relationship between aircraft and the birds we share the skies with. Join me as I take a look at aviation and avian life in Malaysia. I've always been fascinated by watching birds in flight. Observing their movements, very similar to aircraft. The difference, of course, is that we have proven that beating wings is not the way to go, but instead making use of turbines and propellers to produce thrust. Today, we took a trusty prop plane on an early morning flight.
I always thought that the best time to fly is early in the morning. I'm a morning person and it looks great, it feels great, that I slept well, and the weather is super nice for flying. I'm sure we'll enjoy this flight.
My son Spike and I were taking the King Air from Manila to Singapore for servicing. And flying over familiar places always brought back memories for me.
We just passed the Bugsok Island, one of my favorite islands in the Philippines. I had a great time there when I was a kid, going hunting and fishing. We're very close to Osano. Osano is where the Philippines and Malaysia is like the borderline.
I distinctly remember landing in Bugsok Island and the noise of the Hawk XP letting hundreds of colorful birds emerge from the dark forest. My bird musings were interrupted by the sight of Mount Kinabalu.
Mount Kinabalu is over 30,000 feet, and when I used to fly the small airplanes, it was always higher than me. I'm lucky I'm flying the King Air, where I'm a little bit higher than it is, and I still like to take a photo of it. Every time that I see it, I feel so good and so happy about being here in Sabah.
Our destination was Seletar Airport in Singapore, where the Textron facility is. We will be making a refueling stop in Sabah, Malaysia, and I thought it would be a good opportunity to see some old flying buddies. The guys from Sabah Flying Club and I go a long way back, flying in each other's countries whenever we get a chance. Based in Kota Kinabalu Airport, the club has been around since 1964, promoting fun flying and aviation learning. Advocacies close to my heart. We've had countless adventures over the years, which I'm glad to have finally put in writing. Leonard, I always visit. I have a lot of stories about the Sabah Flying Club in my book. I wanted to present one to the club so that we have a lifetime souvenir of all our adventures and all our fun flying, right, Richard?
Okay. Thank you, Captain Joy. You've always been a good friend of Sabah Flying Club, and we always welcome you to the Sabah Flying Club.
Thank you very much.
Like we are always welcome to the Philippines every time when we're there. Yeah. Thank you very much. And thank you for this book. This is going to be a very valuable book for our library.
And I hope it inspires other young kids to start a career in aviation.
Most definitely. Yeah, and you'll be part of it because of your book.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
And in return, here is a Sabah Flying Club.
Oh, okay.
Wings for you.
Thank you very much. This will look good.
Well, I always invite you. You know, you're always welcome to visit the Philippines. It's 172 flight away.
Yes.
Giving them the rest of my gifts from the Philippines, we had a nice time catching up over dim sum as the plane was being refueled. We continued on our mission, landing in Seletar Airport, where the King Air will undergo some maintenance and upgrades. The Textron Aviation Service Center in Singapore caters to the Asia-Pacific region. The King Air is a very popular turboprop business aircraft, and a big number of them can be found in the region. I was happy to meet the guys from the facility, and as Spike talked business with everyone, I was already planning the next stop of this adventure. Up next, leaving the King Air behind, we headed for Kuala Lumpur, where I visit another aircraft facility and enjoy some delectable street fare before continuing on my exploration of avian life in Langkawi.